First, we were talking about the memberships, and while we're on the memberships, I'm going to open up a tab that I had open from last week that actually talk about the benefits of membership here, because I know that you guys don't all know this. So I'm going to go ahead and talk about that for just a second. So what's the actual benefit of being a premium, member? Okay, first of all, you have access to the exclusive investment opportunities that we offer. If you're not in the club, you don't get that. That's all there is to it. I mean, we're not going to do business with somebody we don't know. We're not going to sit here and partner with somebody that can't come in here and hang out with us. That's just all there is to that. That's why we started a club. That's why we call it an exclusive organization. You got to pay to play, even if it is just a little bit. It's kind of like a rehoming fee for a dog, man. You give the free dog away and they just kick it in the stomach. You make them pay $50 and they go buy the raw dog food. So anyhow. So you get access to the exclusive investment opportunities just by being in the club. We are offering multiple programs, which I'll go over in just a moment, that you guys have free access to just by being in the club. All right. We have quarterly growth and scalability consultation sessions. So every 3 months with you guys, for whatever your business is, whatever your business plan is, I will sit down with you on one-on-one scheduled session for a full hour to go over a growth and scalability plan for your company. That's absolutely free to you guys. So that is about a $1,500 value to the public. Now, when I go down the list, let's see. We have that's another program. Weekly networking events. You have weekly community events. You have one-on-one mentorship programs. You have games, contests, prizes, and that's for members only as well. Let's see. You have access to our members directory. Now, this is something that you guys may not all know. When you sign up or you register, you're registering in our members directory. That's all of the people who've come in and signed up and say, I want to be in this group. As a premium member, you have access to that CSV file. Now you can communicate with the other members of the club in whatever way it is that you communicate. That's why you signed in to be a member, so that you can do those things. And it's not just here in the club. You don't have to worry about it. That's why we give you access to that CSV file. It's got their LinkedIns, Facebooks, Twitters, Instagrams, all of those different handles. So you're able to connect with your fellow club members, via all the other platforms as well. No one gets that other than the premium members. So, that's an exclusive thing. Everybody signs up, but only people that have access to the list are the premium members. So there's a lot more people there than you'd imagine. Now, going on down the list, let's see some of the other benefits of being in the Clubhouse. Let's see, access to... Okay, you also have access to our growing list of over 1,000 investors. Right now, I believe we're sitting at 930 some odd. I just pruned some out the other day that emails started bouncing. But people change their emails. That's what it is. But anyway, right at 930 some odd investors on that list that have all signed up that are interested in making investments, doing partnerships and things like that, or are already invested in their own businesses and continue to do so forward. Okay, not only do you have access to our list of investors, but you also have the ability to list your own deals in our members deals channel. That members deal channel it's only for premium members. If you've got a real estate deal, you've got an acquisition deal, you've got some sort of program, plan, or project that's coming up that you need help with, you need funding for, or you're just looking for partnership or advice in, that's where the members would put that in. Those are the ones where other people will come and join you if they have the want, need, or desire to come and help you. But you can only list if you're a premium member of the Clubhouse. Access to an expansive resources forum. That forum gives you business plan templates and workbooks, step-by-step business startup guides, templates, workbooks, and guides for entrepreneurship, the legal documentation and templates for your business startup programs, your business acquisition and mergers, real estate contracts, and more. Those are the main benefits of being in the club, guys. So if anybody asks, now you know.